My name is Lenny McCoy. Now I'd love to tell you what I do, but I can't because, well, you know. But a lot of my week is spent assuring the computer systems that keep these things flying in the skies safely and securely. The rest of my week is spent growing and developing Simply Great Media into an incredible technology education provision dedicated to giving talented young people tech-based employability skills. Now I work closely with the UK defence industry, the Ministry of Defence, GCHQ and potentially you. Using my skills, knowledge, contacts and experience, I want to help you to do tomorrow what I do today. Simply Great Media is here to help you accelerate your technical knowledge and supercharge your brain cells in STEM subjects like engineering, software development, games design, and multimedia content creation. Delivered by an incredible team of industry experts, Simply Great Media's goal is to engage, educate, stimulate, and prepare you for the technological tomorrow today. And if you have a passion for all things tech and one eye on the future, visit www.simplygreatmedia.co.uk and maybe we can help you kickstart your skills.